Yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I am changing myself. As quoted by Rumi, a Persian Sunni Muslim poet. Hello everyone, my name is Vienna Ferguson, and I'm excited to share with you um, the definition of ethics and my interpretation. The philosophical study of morality is what we call ethics, also known as moral philosophy. We can find ethics all around us in the form of inescapable cycles. These life cycles depend, can really determine actually our destiny, and they can depend on how we absorb information and think it on our own. On the other hand, when we enslave ourselves and we could be held in bondage to the thought of others. As the author Lewis Vaughn put it, getting to our destination depends mostly on the quality of our moral reasoning. I was not born into the American culture, and I feel that being in this society has forced me to apply ethics in the sense that I have been forced to question my original cultures or beliefs. Um, I have learned to ask questions and apply the preeminence of reasoning along with critical thinking skills. However, in my cultural background, to question someone or things viewed by others senior your age is viewed as a form of disrespect. Um, as ethics puts it, this is considered a logical argument in where we attempt to apply critical reasoning, but rather than being a logical argument, and many times it turned into the angry exchange type um, in various situations. Nevertheless, I choose to follow my own beliefs and feelings, but I must say it is much easier as an adult. When it comes to other moral standards, such as lying or causing unnecessary harm to others, we do share the universal perspective of following the principles of universal salability. This element in ethics says that if we apply a moral statement to one situation, then it must be applied in all others that are basically similar. When applying the principles of impartiality in a moral perspective, everyone is equal and should be treated as such. This reminds me of the golden rule that we heard repeatedly as children, and to do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Um, while this basic principle to me may sound good, I believe our own unconscious biases make us all guilty of not following this principle to its potential. In the element of dominance of moral norms, our moral principles will dominate over laws and other forms of judgment, principles, or values. This week, one thing I learned is to identify and distinguish a strong versus a weak argument. The validity of a statement is based on the premises presented, and we can use this information for our own moral reasoning in order to stay above various forms of prejudices and biases. Learning to observe and apply ethics is a tool that I hope to use, and hope it will benefit me in my dream career of cultural anthropology. This branch of anthropology studies existing cultures in their own elements and in different human societies. I would hope to apply critical thinking and ethics for the purpose of observation, and collecting data that would benefit our society and others, in the studies all around the world. My small fear for now is that if questioning others' cultural beliefs would hinder my observation of people as they are in their natural, elements and whatever is respective in their cultures. I am glad that learning more about ethics, as we go along, um, I would continue to apply better critical reasoning and thinking skills. And am hoping that this will also help me get past that small fear. Um, and I'll leave you with this quote that we are shaped by our thoughts and we become what we think, by Buddha. This is my presentation, and I thank you all for taking the time to watch my video.